Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting releases from Harley Davidson, the 2025 V-Rod. After a long hiatus, the V-Rod is back, and it's bringing with it a whole new level of power, performance, and style. So, what makes the 2025 V-Rod a game changer? Let's find out. A legend reborn. For those of you who remember the original V-Rod, you know it was a revolutionary bike for Harley Davidson when it first hit the streets in 2001. With its liquid-cooled Revolution engine, modern styling, and high-performance capabilities, it became a true standout in Harley's lineup. Now, in 2025, the V-Rod has evolved, melding the brand's classic heritage with cutting-edge technology. Engine performance. The 2025 V-Rod comes equipped with a revamped version of the original Revolution engine, now a 250cc V-twin that pushes 150 horsepower and 90 lb-ft of torque. That's a huge leap in performance compared to the original. With its smooth power delivery and top-tier acceleration, this bike is ready to dominate both city streets and highways alike. What's even more impressive is the new 6-speed transmission paired with an upgraded exhaust system. This not only enhances performance but gives the V-Rod an unforgettable roar when you open up the throttle. Design style. Harley Davidson's design philosophy has always been about blending function with style, and the 2025 V-Rod takes that to the next level. The frame is sleeker, the lines more aggressive, and the bike maintains that muscular stance we loved from its predecessor. The all-new LED lighting, along with a digital cockpit, gives it a modern twist while keeping that raw, street fighter aesthetic. Speaking of the cockpit, the fully digital display now includes all the vital info you need: speed, RPMs, fuel range, and even customizable ride modes. And don't forget the iconic V-Rod logo, it's still there, proudly emblazoned on the tank. Technology features. The 2025 V-Rod isn't just about power, it's loaded with technology to improve your ride. We've got selectable ride modes that adjust the bike's throttle response and traction control for different conditions. You also get standard ABS, cornering enhanced traction control, and a new Bluetooth-enabled system for seamless connectivity. Imagine being able to track your ride stats, get turn-by-turn navigation, or answer calls without ever taking your hands off the handlebars. The V-Rod is as connected as it is powerful. Rideability, comfort. Now, let's talk about rideability. Harley has really put in the effort to make the 2025 V-Rod a comfortable experience for both short jaunts and long-distance touring. The seat is ergonomically designed for better support, and the suspension is fine-tuned to handle various road conditions without sacrificing stability. Plus, with its lighter frame and improved handling, the V-Rod feels incredibly agile. It's not just about straight-line speed, it's about carving through corners with confidence. Price and availability. So, when can you get your hands on this beast? The 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod starts at around $20,000, which places it in the premium cruiser category. However, with that price tag, you're getting an incredible combination of power, design, and tech, truly worth the investment if you're after a high-performance American-made bike. To sum it up, the 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod is everything we loved about the original, but better. More power, better tech, and a design that screams modern classic. If you're looking for a bike that offers thrills, comfort, and cutting-edge features, the V-Rod is definitely worth checking out. Let me know what you think about the new V-Rod in the comments below. Are you excited to see this iconic bike return? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.